think my bag's full enough. Yeah. Yeah, so you ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Hey, man. Hey, why you look mad for?
Ready, ready, ready. Ayun, kanyang apple. It's fine.
So how much is
You just go with the main one and then, sometimes it's better to travel in like it's better for you to go with you to nowhere. So now you still can enjoy.
I'm not sure if she can she read?
It's actually pretty interesting. It's not that long. Normally it'd be pretty busy, but at the same time, right now it's Thursday, and well, yeah. Normally this would be like zigzag all the way back there, but I mean this is okay. So the funniest thing about traveling right now is that I don't even feel like traveling. It just feels like a normal day to me. So just landed in Oahu. Gonna go over to our gate, just cruise for a little bit, wait for everybody else. We're all gonna be on the same flight.
But I don't ever recall someone wearing a ball. I never did ever come this ever. Oh, buddy. One more flight to go. 10-hour flight, baby.
I don't know if you saw from how long ass walk, but dude, I went back Burger King. All the freaking onion rings fell inside the bag. And this freaking big ass soda. These guys are gonna walk all the way back. Haha. How's it? 15J. Perfect. Cross over to your right. Right now, just boarded the plane going to JFK. I guess I have a pretty good seat. Let's look at this. Judging by this, how cold do you think it is? Okay, now I'm cold. Now I'm cold. We're in between buildings and it's just funneling all the way. So yeah, now I'm cold. stack?
Yeah. So it's like a regular
What'd you
Shake
get?
Shack. It's the same thing. It's the same Shake Shack burger with like the mushroom.
Yeah.
Oh my god,
Fried
it's
mushroom with
I love
cheese
it.
in it.
Oh my god, I love it.
Alright, alright.
I fucking love me some mushrooms. Too.
Okay, something just fell out of my burger, but I'm gonna
And
eat
if
it.
I can fucking...